Hello friends, for the winding Mazda, if you cannot open, it's because sometimes the reset button here was pushed too much by the plastic. So this one we can adjust it by turn off to remove the screen and check inside of the metal case. Just remove the screw is okay. Screws. Remove the screw out of the screw and remove the body case.这不用。Then we can remove the back side of the screen part. You take off the plastic part. You can see here is the reset button. Now to fix it, we only need one small tap to stick here, because to separate the metal part with the reset button. Then we can cut off some part of this button. 不剪一点吗？ Let him to be shorter, then they will not to stuck. Now after finish all the steps, we only to fix the reset button to this part, to the back cover. Then we install back, reverse all the process. Will be ready. They will settle the problem for the screen cannot turn on.